Welcome, today I'm showing how to check battery health information into a Motorola Moto G42. First of all, open your Play Store, this one, and in search of Play Store find Ampere application. Now this one, now tap install and wait a second for install. And now tap open, yes I agree, close, and OK. And now when we open application, swipe on the right, and here on the second column, on the top we got our health information. Our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.